Alright folks, welcome back to another episode. Today we're diving deep into the world of the CPT manual. Yes, that's the current procedural terminology codebook. Now, I know that sounds a bit dry, but trust me, it's essential for anyone working in the medical field. You want to streamline your coding process, right? So let's get this party started on how to use your CPT professional code manual effectively.
I'm definitely going to need some help with that. I've heard so many things about coding, and is it really like learning a secret language? I mean, how do you even start?
Exactly. Think of it like learning a new dialect. To make it simpler, start by marking the sections of the CPT book for easy reference. Use post-it notes, super handy. I often tell new coders, think of tabbing like a treasure map. Each tab is a marker leading you to codified riches.
Haha, treasure map. That's an interesting way to put it. But wait, when you say there are 6 main sections, are these like the categories of a treasure hunt? Are they all equally important?
Great question. Yes, the 6 sections are like different lands in your treasure hunt. You've got E&M, anesthesia, surgery, pathology, laboratory medicine, and radiology. They vary in importance based on your specific work environment. Like, if you're a surgeon, of course, you'll focus more on the surgery section. There's a rhythm to it, just like finding your way through an intricate labyrinth.
Okay, so if I'm a lab tech, I'd be camping out in laboratory medicine, right? But what's this about the symbols and modifiers you mentioned?
Ah, exactly. Just like a GPS map that shows you different routes, the inside cover has symbols and modifiers. The left column points to position modifiers. Imagine the positions of treasure chests, and the right column has hospital outpatient modifiers which help clarify your coding. It's vital to be familiar with these symbols.
Symbols, like a secret code. Wait, does that mean there are like cheat sheets? Can we use those in actual coding to find what we need faster?
Absolutely. You could think of Appendix A as your cheat sheet. It explains the modifiers. And then there's Appendix B, which summarizes changes from the previous coding year. Just like how treasure maps get revised, occasionally, you need to update your strategies to find the goodies.
Haha, this is starting to sound like a real adventure. What about the index? Is that like the ultimate guide or something?
Yes. The index is the treasure trove for looking up procedures or services, arranged alphabetically. It's your map key. For instance, if you're looking for the code for ablation of a lesion, you start here. It's almost like flipping through a magic book, where you find your spells. Each spell gets you one step closer to your goal.
Oh wow, I see it now. So you look up ablation and then, the code just appears? Is it really that simple?
Well, it's a bit of a scavenger hunt. You have to locate the specific procedure first. But yes, and keep in mind, sometimes codes might be out of order or marked with a number sign. It indicates they're resequenced. Think of it like an ancient scroll that got mixed up. But you gotta be the treasure hunter to find your way.
So like, if I was looking for a colonoscopy code, I'd have to unearth it by searching through the index? Sounds like a lot of digging. Is it always that tricky?
It can be. For something common like colonoscopy, once you figure out the method, it should be a smoother expedition. Remember, always start with the alphabetical index. From there, the tabular section will give you code descriptions you need. Kinda like deciphering clues on your treasure map.